Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can find the credit card number on Chase app. So for that you need to open up your Chase, and after that go to your credit card section, and there just choose the credit card for which you want to see the number. Just select it, and you won't be able to see the number directly, so you have to scroll down to the very end and see the information regarding your statements. And when you find the option of statements, just click on it. After that you will be provided with 4 options where statement will be on the top. Just click on it, then scroll down a little bit. After that open up your recent statement where you will be able to see your account number, and it will be in the form of PDF. Just see the account number there, and the account number is actually your credit card number, the 16-digit number. And this is how you get to see your credit card number on Chase. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.